Hello and welcome to a video on matrix addition. When adding matrices, they need to be of the same size. So let's write two of them out here. So we have 2, 1, and then b is equal to 3 and 2. So these are the two matrices. Each one has 2 rows and 1 column, so they're both a 2 by 1 matrix each. So to add them together, it would look like this. So if we were to add A and B, we would have our first matrix and we would simply add the second matrix. We're adding the rows together and that would look like this. We can open the matrix up. 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2, and that is equal to 5 and 3. So hence A and B is equal to 5 and 3 in this case. Let's try another one. So let's try a square matrix. So a square matrix is when there's the same amount of rows as there are columns. So let's have A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And B 5, 6, 7, 8. So you may remember from the previous video we looked at the different positions. So we can look to see what the positions are here. So this 1 will add to the 5. This 2 will add to the 6, the 3 will add to the 7, and the 4 will add to the 8. So you're adding the same positions together. So again, we'll just write it out in full, just so we make sure we cover all of the steps. So what that looks like here is the 1 plus the 5, the 2 plus the 6, the 3 plus the 4, and the 4 plus the 8. And then that gives us 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 4 is 7, and then 4 plus 8 is 12. So that's the final matrix there. So A and B is equal to this new matrix here that we found. Let's try another one. So we have A is 1 and 3, B is equal to 2 and 4 in the matrix, C is equal to 3 and 5. So let's say we want to add all of these together. What you can do is you can add the first two together and then add the third one, or you can add these, the second and the third, B and C together, then add A, or you can just add them all together. So let's try both ways. So if we were to add A and B together, that would be 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, which gives us 3 and 7. And then we want to add C after that. So that would be the 3 and the 7 plus the 3 and the 5, which is equal to 6, 12. That's the matrix there. We could just add them all up together. So we could take all three of these matrices and say A plus B plus C is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4 plus 5. And that will give us 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 5 is 12. So it's the same way. So that means it's associative. So no matter which order you do it, that will always come out as the same answer. Okay, so that was a little bit of a brief overview as to matrix addition. It's quite simple arithmetic. You just, as long as they're the same size, in this case we use a 2 by 1 matrix. In this case we used 2 by 2 matrices, and then we went back to a 2 by 1. So kept it quite simple. You just basically add the same position. This is a good example here. The 1, 2, 3, 4, they all occupy positions, and you find the corresponding position in the other one and you add those two numbers together for each space. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next video.